In this video, we will look at the wrap deformer. So you hold on the bend deformer to reveal the other deformers. Then we come here and select the wrap deformer. Okay. Now the wrap deformer wraps an object either in a spherical shape or a cylindrical shape. Okay. So with the wrap deformer selected, when it comes to its parameters under the attributes manager, we have the longitude of 180 degrees start, which if it's 0, it completes a full circle. Okay. Here, if it's 360 degrees, and this one is also 360 degrees, nothing is there. It won't wrap anything. You see the mark, but the object that you are wrapping won't show up. Okay. So this is 0 degrees to 360 degrees, which means it starts from 0 all the way to 360. You put it on 180, means it will start on 180 degrees to 360. Same as this, you can change the end. Okay. So that is the wrap deformer. Now to demonstrate it, let's create the plane. Okay, so we could create a plane. We hold on the cube to reveal the objects we can create, and we select a plane. And I want to put this plane inside a z-axis so that it's facing like this. So with the plane selected and inside the attributes manager under the objects, I come to the orientation and I select z minus. It will face the z position like this. So if you make the wrap a child of the plane, you see that it has wrapped the plane in a cylindrical form. Okay, it has wrapped the plane in a cylindrical form. Okay. If you change the form to spherical, now you see the plane is wrapped in a spherical form. Okay. If you put this on 0, now you see in a spherical form. Cylindrical is now in a cylindrical form. So that is it for the wrap deformer. See you in another video.